Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael. It's time for unboxing today. Today I've got the Tramontina 7-quart Dutch oven, and I got that at one of these big box wholesale stores, and I'll put the link in the description box below where I got this, so you can go check it out and see if it's something you're interested in. It's a really good value compared to a lot of the higher end models. So let's dig into this and see how it looks and if it compares to some of the higher end models. So we've got the Tramontina. This is an enamel cast iron 7-quart Dutch oven, and I'm gonna look at the back here, and it tells me where I got it from. You can see it right here where that came from, and they've got some other pieces here listed that you can also get, and it says it has a lifetime warranty. We always like a lifetime warranty, don't we? So looking at the side here, it says it's induction gas, electric, ceramic glass, oven safe, hand wash only. Now, if you've got other Dutch ovens, I always hand wash mine. I don't put them in the dishwasher because there's a little bit of that around the top that they don't put that enameling on, and that cast iron is still exposed on the top of those. So best just wash everything by hand. And there's a lot of techniques. If you get some of the stuff stuck in the bottom, there's different techniques and things that you can get that out of there. So the front of the box here, it says it's even heat distribution, porcelain enameled interior, solid stainless steel knob, and wide cooking surfaces. And it's got several colors here of what they sell. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up now, and let's see what's inside. All right, I'm going to lay it down on its side so that I can just slide it out of the box. Now they've got this double packed in the interior here, so let's get into this and see what we've got inside this box. So the cookware says that it's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius. So let's take a look at this and see what we got inside. We've got the lid on it, and that is nicely wrapped as well. And we've got that nice stainless steel handle on the top. We've got some indentations here on the top that's good for moisture to get back into the pot. So as things are cooking, then the moisture will fall back down into the pot. That's really nice for that instead of having a smooth surface on that. And let's see what else we've got here. And the pan itself is actually wrapped in plastic, and it's got these shipping guards in it for the lid. So looking at this, the handles on this are really nice and wide, so if you had oven mitts on, you could definitely get your hands in those. The enameling on the inside looks really nice. It's got the kind of a cream color on the inside. The enameling on the outside of this one is white. And this is what I was talking about earlier. This portion here is not covered in any kind of enameling, so you definitely don't want to put that into the dishwasher because you could get some rust on that, build up on that. So this looks like a good one. We'll get some measurements here and some weights on it. So the lid on that fits nice and secure. Nicely done on that design on that. So let's get this measured and see how much this lid weighs on this. So I'm going to turn it upside down and measure it in grams first. So the lid weighs 2,031 grams, and let's put it into pounds and ounces. And it's showing 4 pounds, 7 ounces for the lid. Now let's measure the base. I'm going to leave it on the imperial system here, so we'll get the pounds and ounces. That's 10 pounds even. And we'll switch it over to our grams. 4,545 grams on that. So that is a nice weight on that. So let's get some measurements on it and see what we have for that. So from the handles of the handle, we've got 14 inches, or that's roughly 36 centimeters on that. Now, if we measure the width on it without the handles, it's about 10.5 inches to the outside of the pot, and that is equivalent to about 27 centimeters on that. Let's go to the height of that, and it's looking at about 5.5 inches deep, and that is roughly 14 centimeters on that. And across the base of it, we've got about 8.5 inches on that, and that is roughly about 21 centimeters on that. So this is a really nice weight and measurements on that. I'm not going to measure the lid because that'll be the same width as we have here on the top. Now for the enameling on the inside of it, it looks really good. I don't see any marks on that or any kind of imperfections on it. So for what I paid for this looks like a really nice Dutch oven. And like I said, I will put the link in the description box where I got this. You can go check that out. So if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe. We're going to come back and we're going to make a one-pot dish in this. So definitely come back for that. Let's give this a try and see how this is going to cook. When using these Dutch ovens, please read the card that comes with it, because this one recommends using a nylon or wooden or a silicone type spoon. If you use any kind of metal spoons or anything in it like that, it could damage the interior, and it also says that it's going to void the warranty, and you definitely don't want that. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next unboxing. Bye-bye now.